Good morning, students. This is your computer teacher Sangeeta Paul. Today we will revise Chapter 1 Computer System. Now, children, have you noticed some of the daily life activities in different situations? The jobs are generally accomplished by some electronic devices like a television or by some mechanical devices like an analog wristwatch or by some human efforts like handwritten letter. Imagine how it would be if a single device performed all the tasks. Wouldn't it be brilliant? A computer is that such device. It is a multitasking device which help us in a day-to-day life course. Now, computer is an electronic device which performs multiple type of tasks as per the instructions given to it at a very fast speed. We live in an electronic era where we are using computer and finding its use in different sphere of life, like in doing mathematical calculations, collection of school fees, reservation of tickets, sending and receiving mail and messages, etc. Interestingly, a computer can help us in doing a lot of other useful and amazing things. It helps us in drawing pictures, playing music, typing letters, sending messages, playing games, making greeting cards, collecting school fees, solving mathematical problems. Hence, it can be said that a computer is an electronic machine that can solve mathematical problems and can perform non mathematical tasks also. Now, let us discuss working of a computer. Now, children, you have already known that a computer can do so many things. Yet, a computer is not a human being, and so it cannot work by itself. You have to instruct the computer to get the work done. Now, the order or instruction which is given to the computer by the user is termed as input. It means to put in. After receiving the instruction, whatever the computer does by itself to provide results is termed as processing. It means working. After processing, the result that you get on the screen or by the printer is termed as output. It means to produce out. Now, children, you may notice the following sequence of activities at your home that shows us how some material is converted into required product after their processing. Now, let's start. Let's take an example of a bread. As input, we put a bread in a toaster. Then a toasted bread comes out as a product. So here the bread work as an input and the toaster is working as a processor. Then the output or the result is the toasted bread. Next example is a wool. Wool is used as a material and knitting needle is working as a processor. After that, the product which is as a result coming out is the sweater. Next example is take some milk, cream and sugar as an input. Put it in a refrigerator as a processor. Then the result or output we are getting is an ice cream. Next example is we will take one CD, put it in a music system which is working as a processor. Then the result or output we will get is the music. Next example is take some mango, milk, sugar as input. Put it in a mixer which will work as a processor. Then you will get the output or result as a mango shake. Children, the computer works in a similar way. That means computer works basically in three stages. That is, it takes data into it as input, on which processing takes place, and it produces information as output. These stages are collectively known as the IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, process, output. So this is how the IPO cycle works. Now let's see this video.
You are very familiar with the word in and out. Now it is important to know about input and output. Input, the thing that is given to a machine to work on, is called input. For example, when you make mango shake, you put mango, sugar and milk in the mixer grinder. These things are called input. Output, the things which we get from machine after it works, are known as output. In the above example, the mango shake given by the mixer grinder is the output. There are some more inputs and outputs. Input, dirty clothes. Washing machine. Output, clean clothes. Input, petrol, car. Output, energy for running. Input, numbers, calculator. Output, sum or result. Input, words, numbers and codes. Computer. Output, result or output. What is processing? The action taken by machine to work on input and change it into output is called processing. What is data? The inputs given to the computer are known as data. Input devices. The devices that help to give input to the computer are called input devices. Following parts are main input devices of a computer. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to input words, numbers and codes into the computer. Mouse. A small flashing line or arrow which is called pointer can be moved using the mouse. Mouse is used to input commands in the computer. Touchpad. Touchpad is generally available in laptop computers. It also helps to move pointer and select. It also used to and input command. Microphone. Microphone is also used to take sound input and send into the computer. Output devices. Output devices are those devices that help to get output from the computer. The main output devices of computer are monitor. Monitor is a display device. It displays the result. Printer. Printer is also an output device. It prints the output on the paper. Speakers. Speakers are same as our music system. When the speakers are connected to the computer, we receive sound as output. Processing device. CPU has a small chip called CPU. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the main component which is used to manipulate data. Input, processing, output. This is called IPO cycle. Computer works on IPO cycle.